First, visit the Coolmuster homepage and head to the Android Assistant page. You can scroll down to check its features in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Coolmuster Android Assistant works on both Windows and Mac PC. Choose the one you need, and click the free try option to download the software on your PC. Click the Open File option to install Coolmuster Android Assistant on your PC by following the step-by-step guide. Then click Finish to close setup. Double-click the icon to start the program, and you will see this interface. Connect your Android device to your PC via a USB cable. The program will quickly recognize your Android device. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Android device to make sure the connection is established. The program starts to install Coolmuster Android Assistant Android version on your device. Then you can manage data on your Android device. Click Contacts, and you will see all the contacts on your Android device. You can scroll down to preview all the contacts in detail. To edit a contact, choose it and click Edit. Then you can edit it as you wish. Once finished, click OK, then you will see the edited contact. To add a new contact, click New and finish the contact information. Once done, click OK, then you will see the newly added contact. To delete the contact you don't want, tick off the contact and click Delete. Click OK on the pop-up window to confirm, then the chosen contact will be deleted. To transfer contacts to PC, tick off the contact you want, click Export, choose the file format for the contact and select a location on your PC to save. Click Import to transfer the saved contact on your PC to your Android device. After that, click Refresh to load the contacts. Click Call Logs, then the program will load all the call logs. You can scroll down to preview all the call logs in detail. Select the call log you want to transfer to PC, click Export, choose a file format, and pick a location on your PC to save. Click Import to transfer the call log saved on your PC to your Android device. To delete unwanted call log tick off the call log and click Delete. Click SMS to check the text messages on your device. You can check the details by clicking the SMS. To transfer text messages to PC, tick off the text message you want, click Export, choose a file format, then select a location on your PC to save. Select the unwanted text messages, then click Delete. Here, you need to set Coolmuster Android Assistant as your default SMS app on your Android device's pop-up window to delete text messages. Once finished, click OK. After that, set your default SMS app back and click OK. Click Import to transfer the text message saved on your PC to your Android device. Here, you also need to set Coolmuster Android Assistant as your default SMS app on your Android device's pop-up window to import text messages. After that, set your default SMS app back and click OK. Then you can refresh the text messages by clicking Refresh. If you want to send SMS from PC, click New, input a contact number, or click the contacts next to the recipients to choose, input the text, then click Send. You can also set your default SMS app back by clicking Reset. Click Music to check all music files on your Android device. To transfer music files to PC, tick off the music file you want, click Export, choose a location on your PC to save, then click OK. Click Import to transfer music files saved on your PC to your Android device. To delete unwanted music file tick off the music file and click Delete. Click Videos to check all videos on your device. To transfer videos to PC, tick off the video you want, click Export, select a location on your PC to save, then click OK. Click Add to transfer videos saved on your PC to your Android device. To delete unwanted videos, tick off the videos and click Delete. Click Photos to check all photos on your Android device. Click Library to check all the photo albums on your device. Here, you can check each photo album one by one. To copy photos to another album, tick off the photos you want, click Copy, and choose the photo album you want to copy. Once finished, the chosen photos will be copied to the chosen photo album. To move photos to another album, tick off the photos you want, click Move, and choose the photo album you want to move to. Once finished, the chosen photos will be moved to the chosen photo album. To transfer photos to PC, tick off the photos you want, click Export. Here are the options: export to selected folder and export by album. You can choose one as you need. Click Add to transfer photos saved on your PC to your Android device. To delete unwanted photos, tick off the photos and click Delete. Then you can refresh all the photos by clicking Refresh. Click Books to view all ebooks on your Android device. To transfer ebooks to PC, tick off the ebook as you want, click Export, select a location on your PC to save, then click OK. Click Add to import ebook as saved on your PC to your Android device. To delete unwanted ebook S, tick off the ebook S and click Delete. After that, you can refresh all the ebooks by clicking Refresh. Click Apps to view all apps on your Android device. To transfer apps to PC, tick off the app as you want, click Export, select a location on your PC to save, then click OK. To uninstall unwanted apps, tick off the app as you don't want, and click Uninstall. To install the app S from PC to your device, click Install, choose the APK file saved on your PC, then click OK. After that, you can refresh all the apps by clicking Refresh. If you want to back up your Android device data to your PC but don't like to export one by one, go to Super Toolkit and choose the backup option. Select the data types you want, click Browse to choose a location on your PC to save, then click the Backup button. The chosen data types will be backed up to your PC. Once finished, click OK. To restore the backup files to any Android device, click Restore after linking the device to your PC. If you can't find the backup files, click Add Folder to add the backup files taken by the program. Select Clear Data before restoring if needed. After that, click Restore. Note, by checking this, data types on your device as the pop-up window show will be cleared before restoring. Here, you need to set Coolmuster Android Assistant as your default SMS app on your Android device's pop-up window to restore the SMS. Once finished, click OK, and set your default SMS app back.